Everybody, welcome back. Today we are going back to the fobs. This is part 2 of the fob. This will be the sound test. We will do it from the shooter's perspective and the animal's perspective. So here we go. Alright, first off, we are going to do 3 at the shooter's perspective. Here we go. My son is 8 up. Alright, shot 3. Alright, well, didn't really even hear much of a whiz here, like what I've heard people saying. So, now we're going to go through and do the animal's perspective. Alright folks, let's try this again. This time I'm going to leave my shutter button right there. It keeps cutting the camera off with it being in my pocket. So, here we go. Alright, I'm going to go and review these videos, and I will be back in just a little bit to discuss the findings. Okay, well, I was just watching the one from this perspective and I heard a hiss. You could hear it. So I'm going to shoot 2 arrows with the vanes and see if I hear anything out of them. Here we go. Oh wow. Before I turn this off, I just broke a fob. All right, now I'm going to review this. Be back. All right, well, that concludes the sound test. And what I'm seeing is they're no different than the vanes in sound-wise. They're no louder, no quieter. So y'all can decide whichever you prefer. Everybody's different. So that's it for today. Y'all be safe. God bless. And I'll see you next time. Go.
Hit that like button, subscribe, and God bless you all.